This is disgusting. I just picked up this damn thing. This whole thing is swarming with damn cockroaches all in it. Look at this shit. Fucking disgusting shit. Woke up and wonder what the hell the swarming was for days. This whole thing is filled with fucking cockroaches. This fucking place is disgusting. This is fucking inhabitable living. Fucking disgusting shit. In a damn container. That's fucking disgusting. This damn owner should be sued. Period. This is fucking disgusting. Take a picture of that dirty shit.